Welcome back to the Art of Crochet blog, and we've got these great bright colours for this week's sort of retro styled flowery square. This is square 70, by the way, and I'm one step ahead as ever. I've done a 7 chain ring, and this is 3 chains and a 2 treble cluster, then 2 chain gap and a 3 treble cluster. So I need another 2 chain gap, and then a 3 treble cluster, so that's yarn over, and then the first part of the treble. We've done these before, I think you'll remember. So that first part of the treble 3 times, and then through all of those 4 hooks, and then a 2 chain. So we want 8 of these petals all the way round. So at the end of the first round, we're going to do a half treble at the top of here to join together. And then the next round is similar, but with a 4 treble cluster instead. So we're going to work the first one into the same space here. So we'll start off with 2 chain, and then 1, 2, 3. So that's a 3 treble cluster with the chain at the beginning. It makes it a 4 really. And then a 3 chain gap this time, and a 4 treble cluster into this next space. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one at the beginning, this is only a 2 chain because a cluster is a bit shorter than a regular treble, so it would normally be a 3 chain, of course, so it only needs to be a 2 chain. So here we've got 3 chain, and on the next one we're going to have 4 chain because that's going to be your corner. So then you carry on doing the a 4 treble cluster as before. So that repeats doing a 3 chain, a 4 treble cluster, and then a 4 chain and the cluster again. So keep going all the way around. So here we are on the third round, and we've got 4 trebles in each of these spaces, starting off on a 4 corner space, a 4 chain, and 4, 4. And on this one we're going to get another 4 treble in there because this is a corner. So we've done 4 trebles, and then we do 2 chain and another 4 treble, and you carry on all the way around like that with 4 treble and then 8 divided by the 2 chain in the corner. Let's see if I've counted this right. We've got, there we are. So that's how you go around the corner. Keep going all the way around. So round 4 is a simple round of trebles. When you get to the corner, you do 1 treble and 2 chains. And you head off down the road again. There should be 12 on each side, which means if you count them that you have to start with this one right at the beginning there. That's your first treble. So keep going all the way around. So here we are on the 5th and final round, and we're doing half trebles. So I've joined the pink to this corner and bound the ends in as I went along. And when you get to the corner, we're going to do 1 half treble and then 2 chains and another half treble. So that's this one where you yarn over and through all 3 like that, and then kick off down the side. There should be 14 down each side, and as long as you start in that very first one there, you'll be absolutely fine. And of course it doesn't really matter if you have 1 or more less. So keep going with the pink all the way around. So here we are at the end, and I'm going to bind off we go. And don't forget to label your square. Wow, looks really retro, doesn't it? What is it about a combination of colours like that that we can remind you so clearly of a bygone era? There you go. It's our retro square.